Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to tag merchandise with a tag hanger, and then you can use your barcode stickers to finish that up. We're going to use a Uline tagger. It has a little small plastic cover over a needle on the front of it. You want to keep this on at all times if you're not using it, because the needle is pretty sharp. This needle goes through the fabric, and then it's able to insert tags and hooks. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and load in a line of these little tags into the top, and then when you're ready to tag a piece of merchandise, you can take one of these little label tags, and you go ahead and insert the needle through the small hole in the top. Once you're ready to go, you find an appropriate place on the fabric that you want to hang the fabric from. Try to find some area that's reasonably thick. I mean, the needle is small, but if it's, if the fabric is too thin, you are going to make a hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hang this from the corner of this fabric. I insert the needle through, and then I pull the trigger. Of course, I fail on the first attempt, and I'm trying to show this on the video. Well, we'll try it again. Good lesson that we need to go all the way through the fabric to a certain extent. So we'll get the needle going through substantially, and then hit the trigger with a certain amount of force. And now what you have is a small hook that you can hang this from, and you have a tag. And on that tag you can place your barcode that hopefully you've already made. You can go ahead and print that out and stick that on there, and then this thing is ready for sale. In the shop. Now you're going to be left with this device that has lots of tags still in it. After you're all finished tagging, you of course want to replace the little plastic cap. And to remove this series of tags, you've got to depress the trigger and hold it down. And that'll allow you to pull this out. Of course, if you leave the cap on it, that's not a good idea. Now you can put these things away. If any of them break off from here, say you try to salvage one, you had to pull the trigger down, and then one gets unhooked, it'll jam the machine up. So basically the last one is kind of a waste product. So if you get close to being finished and you do your last tag, if you remember just to keep the trigger down and pull this out, you won't waste the last little tag. So that's it with this video.